By the way, I don't know if you remember, but the Reggae Girls are in action at the National Stadium later. These are the Olympic qualifiers, so about 4 other countries are here with us. And I think we play St. Lucia in the first one. Starts at 6:30. There's a 4:30 game. We move on. So if pepper isn't in the pot, is it really a Jamaican kitchen? Next to tea, this spicy vegetable is a staple in the JA pantry or so. But did you know that peppers are sprinkled with a potload of health benefits? MSN Lifestyle listed some of them for us. You know, I'm not a pepper person.
Oh, jeez. I live for it. Especially Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
Which they say, by the way, helps to drain your sinuses. So, but anyway, first they say heart health benefits.
Yeah.
So this is a study published in 2017, which found a lower incidence of deaths caused by vascular disease, heart attacks, and stroke among those who consumed chili peppers. While causation wasn't proven, others have suggested that spices can reduce levels of cholesterol in the body when used in moderation. So, could be good for your heart.
Yep. They say it burns extra calories. According to a study from Purdue University, people burned more calories and had lowered appetites after eating red pepper. The effect was particularly strong in those who did not consume spicy foods on a regular basis.
Jumpstart metabolism, probably?
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. Prevention of cancer, really? Capsaicin, which I hope I said that right, the ingredient which makes chili peppers spicy and hot, is thought by certain experts to have anti-cancer properties. It has the same effects on the body as certain cancer drugs do. This is according to one doctor. However, this benefit continues to be debated in medical literature due to conflicting findings. Turmeric, they say, has shown promising results in early clinical trials for preventing cancer cell growth.
Relieving pain. How do you pronounce that? Capsaicin? How do you pronounce it?
That's what I would say.
Capsaicin may also help by dulling or deadening any sensation of pain in the body. The mechanism here supposedly works by targeting a brain chemical known as substance P, which plays an important role in cases of hurt and injury. This explains why it can even be used as an ingredient in pain relief creams and medications. Some studies have also suggested a diet with higher levels of capsaicin, and it may have protective effect against ulcers by killing the bacteria known as H. pylori, I suspect. And now they say the top 5 hottest peppers in the world.
Trinidadian scorpion butch tea. I'm so afraid to even call it, but I would try it.
You would try it?
Yes, it's a previous Guinness World Record holder from Australia. No doubt it is insanely hot, but other peppers have proven to be hotter. It is aptly named due to the scorpion stinger found at the tip of the pepper, and also the creator, Butch Taylor.
They put SHU, and apparently it's Scoville Heat Unit. It says a measure of spiciness, and that one was 1,463,700 SHU. The next one, Primo, is 1,469,000 SHU. It's the 7th pot primo, is very distinctive with its long, skinny tail. There you go. He says this pepper was created by horticulturist Troy Primo. Some peppers cultivators have tried to replicate the Primo look by breeding their own peppers to have a long stinger. When you just look at this pepper, you know it's going to be insanely hot. It coincidentally looks strikingly similar to the Carolina Reaper.
Reaper, as in the Grim Reaper? Oh gosh. Pot Douglas, 7-pot Douglas. The 7-pot Douglas is the hottest pepper you can find. That's not red. Now, when you see them look like that, you know, say it's a problem.
So you would eat all of this?
Of course.
What's that?
I wouldn't like bite it. Like how Francois bite pepper. Francois will take a spoonful of food and then bite the pepper and eat it. I've never seen anything like that. Anyway, the hottest super hot peppers are traditionally red, but the Douglas defies the odds by being brown and scorching hot. You can't go wrong with fresh, dried, or powdered Douglas on any food.
Well, the second hottest one in our little thing here, I don't know if it means the second hottest pepper in the world, but it's second hottest from what we're doing. Another Trinidad Moruga scorpion, Now that's 2,009,231 of the SHU. That's how hot it is. Straight from the depths of hell. The Trinidad Scorpion Moruga blend, aka Moruga Scorpion, is a rare sought-after pepper that was only just recently discovered. Native to the lands of Moruga in Trinidad and Tobago, once you take a bite of this formidable pepper, the heat never stops building. So why would I bite it? This pepper may be lacking the reaper's stinger, but don't let that fool you. The Moruga Scorpion is every bit as hot as the Carolina Reaper, and that is the hottest
Number
one.
one,
Yep.
originally ranked as the world's hottest in 2013. The Reaper was tested again in 2018 with an even higher SHU. This gives the Reaper a renewed title as world's hottest.
When you look on that, you
No,
know,
man, it looked like the devil in disguise. Not even a disguise. Good things, but for some people, pepper does a lot of bad things, like it messes with your tummy and all sorts of things.
All right, folks, stay with us to meet the young footballer with some pretty cool juggling skills, I'm told. We're going to check them out after News in 5 with Shane. Soon come.